Hi everybody, welcome to the channel. Today's video is going to be about making a review on this chainsaw that I got from Amazon. It's a JPNTECH, whatever the name is. It's pretty economical. It's about $136. Of course, that's without tax, and I don't know if you have to pay shipping. And it's a 60 cc's and a 20-inch bar in it. So we're gonna open the box and see. Let's see what we find inside. So let's see what's in here. Let's see. Let's open this thing. Very interesting. Oh, of course. Take this out first. And then, of course, the tape. I apologize for my space here. I don't have that much. It's inside of my copper. So anyway, let's see what we got inside. What is coming with inside. Alright, so first thing that I see is coming wrong with, but it's nice. This is the bar. Nice bar. Yeah. Very good. Here's the brake for emergency. One nice funnel. Interesting. Let's see what we do with that. This is a standard kind of measuring cup. Pure mixing bowl. Got a really nice tool set. Very good. Tool sets with a, let's see what we got here. Well, it's got the spark plug, the range for the spark plug. What is, oh, a file. Very good. Very good file for sharpening. And a some type of Allen wrench, only for adjustment. An extra cord, probably for the puller. And a small screwdriver and a couple screws that I imagine they're going somewhere when you assemble it. So very nice little bag in there. And here's the machine. So let's see what else we got. We got the chain on a box. They came out of the box. So that's the chain. And then we have a manual. Of course, we're gonna take a look into it and see what it is. Let's get this box out of the way. Machine looks really interesting. Very cool. Let's see what we got. It's got a nice tied up little tied things in it. It looks pretty nice weight. Very nice. I think it looks pretty good. On off button. It has the button for the choke, and here we got a for the bar set, and with 2 bolts, and the nuts for grabbing the bar. we're gonna put this on the side, and it looks very, very nice, very solid. Let's see what's under here. Oh, it's got a little bump in here. I don't know if you guys can see. It's been bumping. So hopefully it didn't send me something used. I'm really gonna get very upset if that happened, but I don't think so. Let's see if the bag got a boost. Yeah, the bag had a boost. So obviously, somehow it got a bump somewhere. I hope nothing is broken. And then right here, under here, this is one thing I really like, because you got the spark plug here, and then you got a filter, nice filter. Nice little filter. Huh? This looks pretty good. I don't see really nothing wrong yet with it. And of course, a lot of compression. Lots of compression. And then I already have, I'm pretty sure it's got the spark plug in it. Or at least they sent me an extra one. Let's be sure. I'm pushing this. Yeah, with that kind of compression, I'm pretty sure that, yeah, it's got a spark plug in. So they send you an extra one, which is really good. Really nice for them to do that. It's a nice protection. And there, looks like a nice carburetor. Now this is the new style without, I don't think it's got a primer. No primer button. Nope. No prime button. That's fine. I don't care for it. Really, I believe those prime buttons are not that efficient at all. I have some different ways to do priming, so I do my own priming on it. And here's the gas tank. Little gas tank in there. Let's see if it's got a filter. You use my scientific light from Harbor Freight. Smell like it got some fuel in there in some moment. It's got a filter. Alright, so we're doing good with that. I probably did a checkup on it. So that's pretty much it. You know, like I said, very interesting the way this. I don't think I'm gonna have to look too much into the assembling part, because this is very easy to put together. Of course, I'm going to check it out anyway. The interesting part is, I don't know if you noticed this, but I'm pretty sure the bar goes first. Yep, and this is the adjustment for the tension on the bar. So the brake, you put the bar first, and then you have to put this thing on. So every time you're taking the bar out, you have to, the chain bar, the chain out, you have to take this, the brake out. It's all right if it works that way. I don't know why they did that, but kind of strange. But I will look at it in the manual. And well, that's pretty much it. You know, seems to be pretty. Plastic seems to be very good. It's got, the whole body is metal. You know, and it has some plastic here, but very steady. looks pretty good. The bar seems to be very nice. Holds pretty good. The weight, I have an Oregon electric, and this one is just a little bit, maybe more heavy than that. That's it. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna put it together, and we just come back afterwards with another video about starting and checking it out, and see how it's running. So let's go to try that out.